Hello everyone, welcome to How to Tuts. In this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can mute someone on Mastodon social app. Okay, if you don't wanna see someone post, then you can just mute it them. Okay, so how can you do this? Just follow my step, then you will learn. So you need to click Mastodon social app and then choose the ID which ID you're gonna just mute it. So I'm just gonna was this one, this ID. So you need to click here, three dot in the right side. Just simply click on this, and the first option you can see here, mute it, this one. So when you click mute it and again click mute it, and it muted. So this is the one process. Okay, so if you want to mute it, the second process you have to go someone ID. Okay, and then you can see the option again, three dot the top right corner here. Just click on this, and I just already muted him, so I just unmuted him again. Yeah, it's really easy. Okay friend, today's no more. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this tutorial.